Hi guys, so we are on the road trip to Balos, and so far the road is pretty good for our car. I hope it doesn't get worse. From what I remember, it's pretty decent. I mean, we can go with our car. The view here is it already starts to be awesome, but we have another 25 minutes to go. We paid €1 the entrance. Just to look around me, it's so beautiful. So we'll see each other a bit later. So we have less than 2 kilometers to arrive to the parking spot of Balos, and the road has become worse, as you can see. It's still doable, but it's a little bit stressful to drive, but I'm sure Mike is very relaxed because the view is just awesome, and if you are not driving, it's just very beautiful. We have around 1.5 kilometers, so I am pretty optimistic. We've made it so far, so I don't think it's much worse, or at least I don't remember it being much worse from the last time I visited Balos, so let's hope for the best. So we have arrived in the parking finally. We made it so far. Right now we are going to take some pictures and then go down to the beach, and I hope everything will be just fine. Hi guys, so I'm in the sea right now and I'm with my phone because I have a waterproof case, but right now we are going to just play in the water, so I won't film anymore a lot. It's very pretty right here. Hi guys, so we are now climbing from Balos Beach, and as you can see I am pretty tired already. Behind me you can see the beach, so I will film a little bit more from the sunset from up in the hill. Right now we are climbing and it's pretty difficult, so I will film a little bit later more. So there are goats everywhere around here, just take a look. I'm seeing more than 10 in front of me right now. I don't know if they are visible on camera, but there are a lot of them, and I think there will be even more in the parking lot, because there were, many in the parking lot when we left. It's pretty cloudy outside, and it's kind of sad because when we reached the parking lot there were no clouds, and now for the sunset it's full of clouds. So now we are going to the parking lot and then we are going home. It's been an amazing day. It was so beautiful, as I showed you in this video. I hope the road will be fine. Now we will go a little bit slower because we are not hurrying up home, but it will get dark, so it will be a little bit harder to see all the rocks on the road, but I truly hope everything will be fine. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel to make sure you don't miss any of my videos, my adventures, my tips. So right now I'm pretty tired, as you can see. The parking lot is pretty close, and yep, we'll see each other in another video. Bye bye.